What is up, guys? It's definitely been a minute. I'm about to reveal something to you that was definitely unplanned, but I'm glad it happened. So, many of y'all know that I had my 2020 Civic Si last Monday or Tuesday. Well, technically Tuesday, I brought this home. It was definitely unplanned. Me and my girlfriend were looking through the window at the Holland dealership on like a Sunday because we were bored. I seen this car and a Boost blue one sitting in the dealership, and for some people that know, I tried to get another one probably like 6 months ago, but the numbers didn't really end up working out. But that'll end up being in a different video of how I got the car numbers and etc. But I've had this car for a little over a week now, a week and 2 days, so 8-9 days. And then I think 2 days ago I put a PRL HVi intake on, and I just want to make this intro because I forgot to make one when I installed it 2 days ago. And then I also got new wheels and tires that are on the way, so if you're new or you want to stick around for that, definitely be sure. And then I have just the tint done as well, but that's about it. But this was definitely unplanned, but I'm gonna skip forward to the intake install video, and I'll make another video of how I got the car. So today, boys, we're gonna be doing the PRL high volume intake. The car's got 350-ish miles on it, and I also took the red pinstripe off around the whole bottom. It looks 10 times cleaner. But I want to set the camera up, get all this out. I watched the videos. I know this is probably going to be a whore to get out, but so far I'm loving this car. Later on I will definitely tell the story of how I got it and what happened, but I'm super happy with it. So basically already this comes together. I honestly gotta find an Allen key that'll fit that, but I'll worry about that later down the road. But you have to butt up this mat housing and with this plate that's on the inside what the filter connects to, so I kind of pre-installed that just to save time. And then obviously I have my hose clamps here, brackets, and the loom for the mass airflow sensor, and then the actual inlet tube, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna go ahead, set the camera up, and get it started. So literally on Honda's part, this was probably the dumbest thing, but I had to find a 5.5 because I didn't have a screwdriver Phillips head big enough to fit those hose clamps, so I literally had to scavenge to find this, and it was pretty dumb. But I'm gonna finish taking this off, got the mass airflow sensor out, this apart so I can relume it, take the stock air box out, and then replace it. Literally, man, it's a little dirty in there. I wonder why it's like that in there. Huh. It's so weird. Huh. But literally, that little nipple vent thing right here was the worst thing to get off ever in my life. But now I can focus on getting the bolts out for the air box up here. I think there's one in this corner over here. These two I have out already, and I want to say that's it. So I'm gonna get that done real fast. So from this old intake, air box, whatever you want to call it, this has to come out, and I want to say, where's the other bolt? That has to slide through the bracket that goes on there, which is this metal bracket right there. So you just have to transfer the rubber piece right here, and then make sure you tighten all your bolts down. I gotta still find the correct Allen key for this, because apparently I cannot find one. And I just put the mass sensor in and tighten everything all up, and we'll be good to go. And I want to say one thing, it is hot as hell in here, bro. Which really got me concerned what this is, but I just won't say too much of it for right now. But I just still have to loom this, and we'll be good to go.
Alright, so I got everything buttoned up. Airflow sensor, this cover closed, this piece on the bottom, piece on the back. All I have to do is unwrap this, get my hose clamps ready. I already transferred this breather, emissions, whatever, and then this is gonna be a whore. But I just gotta do my wire loom real fast for the mass airflow sensor, and then we'll be putting it in. So I'm at the part where I'm doing this inlet tube, and what I'm doing is taking little Johnson's baby soap and literally just putting it around where I gotta put these pieces at without getting it anywhere else, honestly, but just try to lube it up a little bit to get it in there. And then I'm gonna try and put this on, and hopefully all goes well. So I finally finished it. The hardest part really was trying to get this in and these to kind of like line up, because it's a really tight squeeze if you haven't installed one of these before. This is my first time, obviously, brand new car, but everything's tight. This, both coupler sides, this cone is tight, box is tight, sensor's plugged in. So I'm gonna start it up, and then I'm probably gonna get some footage of it on the way home. Man, it looks so much better without the red pinstripe on the bottom. But yeah, I'm gonna get some sound clips on the way home. We'll be good to go.
So I am going to do maybe like a third gear pull if it doesn't spin, just so we can try and maybe hear the intake noise. Might be too much rain noise, but I'll try and get one off here for you. Yeah, it's definitely too much rain noise, but as far as like how it performs, it's definitely really smooth. I could definitely do a review on it. But for right now, it's just the rain is just overpowering the whole car itself. So I'll probably make another video in the future, just like more in depth of the HVi intake from PRL. But as far as right now, I mean, I love it. The car's got 390 miles on it, so I'm on my way to work right now. Jeez, I can't talk. I'm on my way to work right now, so I'm gonna probably edit this video, and hopefully I'll have it out to you tonight, which is Thursday. So if you liked this video and you want to see more of the Type R, because I definitely do, I got wheels on the way, like I said, and stick with me with this journey, and I'll see y'all later.